Howdy friends, this is lab table 6 for the series in parallel lab. So starting over here at the power supply, we're going to call this closest one light bulb number 1, light bulb number 2, and light bulb number 3. Okay, so let's go ahead and get right into voltage measurements for table 6. Okay, we're going to start with the total voltage for the circuit. As you can see, once again, I've got my voltmeter jumping around the power supply. I am on the 30 volt scale, which is the highest scale on the meter. All right, so go ahead and take your reading for voltage, total voltage for table 6 now. All right, now we're going to grab the voltage for light bulb number 1. Okay, the one that was closest to the power supply. You can see how I've jumped in my leads from my voltmeter. I'm still on that 30 volt scale. So just let me zoom in here and get this into focus. Okay, go ahead and take your voltage reading for light bulb number 1 at table 6. All right, now we're going to measure the voltage across light bulb number 2. See how I'm wired in. Still on the 30 volt scale. Get this into focus. And go ahead and take your reading now. And now we'll do light bulb number 3 for lab table 6. My leads connected around, so the voltmeter is in parallel. All right, still on the 30 volt scale. Get that centered and go ahead and take your voltmeter reading now. Okay, so now for the current for table 6, we're going to start off measuring the total current. This table, the current actually exceeds what we can get off of our little red ammeter, so I've switched to this digital multimeter. Okay, which makes it simple. So this is 0.90 amps, so no conversion required. And again, that's the total current for for table number 6. All right, now we're going to do the current for light bulb number 1. See, I'm back to my normal ammeter here. See how I've tapped in to have all the current go through the ammeter before it goes into the light bulb. I am on the 500 milliamp scale, so we are still on the biggest scale. So let me get this into focus here. Okay, and go ahead and take your meter reading for light bulb number 1 now. All right, so now we're going to do light bulb number 2 for table number 6. And you can see how I've tied in the ammeter to catch all the current going into light bulb 2. I am in the 500 milliamp scale, so the biggest one. And go ahead and take your reading for the current now. All right, now we're going to grab the current for light bulb number 3 for table 6. Let's see how I'm wired in. 500 milliamp scale, so biggest one on the meter. All right, so go ahead and grab your current for light bulb number 3. All right, so we're going to do qualitative analysis for the 3 light bulbs. So just starting with the power supply coming this way, so you can see how this arranges. This is light bulb number 1. Light bulb number 2, and light bulb number 3, so make your initial brightness observations. And let's take light bulb 1 out. Okay, so 1 unscrewed, 2 and 3 in. Okay, so 1 is back in. Take out bulb number 2. 2 out, 1 and 3 in. And number 3. 3 out, 1 and 2 in. And now let's do combos. Okay, so let's take out light bulb number 2 as well. All right, so only light bulb number 1 is plugged in right now. All right, so let's put number 2 back in, but take number 1 out. Okay, so 1 and 3 are out, number 2 is in. And let's see, so let's put 3 back in and take number 2 out. So 3 is in, 1 and 2 are out. And then last but not least, okay, we can take number 3 out. So now all 3 of them are unscrewed. So I'll just put them back in now. I'll try to. Oh, come on. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. All right, so there we go. That should be all the qualitative data for lab table number 6. All right, and here is a final look at the circuit for lab table number 6. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the series in parallel lab. All Alright, we have now come to the end of the series in Parallel Lab. So this is Mr. Zarzak down in the basement saying thanks for watching another episode of Physics Underground, and we'll see you next time.